Welcome back, students. Today we are going to solve some previous year questions which is related to photosynthesis topic. Okay, so let's start. The images used in these slides are for education purpose only. We respect intellectual property right of the original creator and owner of these images. If you are the owner of any of the images used in this PPT or have any concern, any issue, please contact us at sathi@iitk.ac.in and we shall remove the image. Question number 1. First product of photorespiration is phosphoglycolate, glycolate, glycine or serine. Take your time and then tell me the answer. First product of photorespiration is phosphoglycolate, glycolate, glycine or serine. Okay. So photorespiration is a pathway that actually compete with the Calvin cycle, right? It also occur in the chloroplast, but apart from the chloroplast, two other organelles like peroxisomes and mitochondria are also involved. Okay, so it in the presence of Rubisco enzyme, this in this photorespiration, first product is which is formed is phosphoglycolate, which is further converted into the glycolate, which then further move into the peroxisomes, and from peroxisome, from glycolate it will convert into the glycine, and then glycine move to the mitochondria. So this is the main pathway. This is how chloroplast, peroxisomes and mitochondria involve in this photorespiration. So here they are asking about the first product. So first product is phosphoglycolate. Clear? So choice number 1 would be the correct answer of this question. Now, during light reaction in photosynthesis, which of the following are formed? Light reaction in photosynthesis, which of the following are formed? In option 1, ATP and sugar, 2, hydrogen, oxygen and sugar, 3, ATP, hydrogen donor and oxygen, and in 4th, ATP, hydrogen and oxygen donor are mentioned. So you just take your time and then tell me the correct answer. 5 to 10 second time. Okay, now time up. So during light reaction of photosynthesis has two type of reactions, light reaction and dark reaction. Further we can classify light reaction into PS1 and PS2, right? Photosystem 1 and photosystem 2, or we can say in another way we can classify it as a cyclic or non-cyclic, right? Photophosphorylation and so on. So they just want to know ki out of these four choices, which of the following are formed during light reaction. Okay, so during light reaction what will happen? First of all, that at PS2 level, all the electrons get at excited state, right? And they move from PS2 level to next carrier molecule site like plastoquinone or plastocyanin. So immediately water क्या होगा? Water split होगा, right? So water split. So because of the splitting of water, what are the product? Hydrogen ions, electrons and oxygen has been generated, right? And electron immediately move to the one carrier molecule, then second carrier molecule and so on, and towards the PS1 site, right? And so oxygen is evolved, hydrogen donor has evolved, and during this phase ATP is also formed. ATP and NADPH all both the things, but here they have just mentioned about ATP. So during light reaction, ATP, hydrogen donor, right, and oxygen, hydrogen donor, electrons and oxygen, because of the splitting of water, right? So these things are formed during light reaction. So all these things are present in the choice number 3 only. So choice number 3 would be the correct answer of this question. Clear? In choice number 4, they have mentioned ATP, hydrogen and oxygen donor. There is no oxygen donor, only hydrogen donor, because of is evolved because of the splitting of water, right? So choice number 3 would be the correct answer. Now, next question number 3, carbon dioxide fixation in C4 cycle. In C4 cycle is through RUBP, means ribosco bisphosphate, oxaloacetic acid, phosphoenol pyruvate or phosphoglycolic acid. Okay, carbon dioxide fixation in C4 cycle is through. Out of these choices, these 4 choices, we have to choose the correct answer. You just take your 5 to 10 second time. After that, we will discuss the correct answer. Okay. So in C4 cycle, there are two type of cycle. We all know this, C3 cycle and C4 cycle. Some plants who are actually uh, able to tolerate high temperature, right? They follow C4 cycle, right? And in C4 cycles, fixation of carbon dioxide occur through what is the first product? Phosphoenol pyruvate. But what is the first stable product? That is oxaloacetic acid, right? So in C3 cycle, what is they want to know the fixation in C4 cycle is through phosphoenol pyruvate, right? So choice number 3 would be the correct answer. This one is the first stable product and this one is something different. And phosphoglycolic acid, this is actually uh, um, this act as the first product in photo respiration, not during carbon dioxide fixation Kelvin cycle. Okay, so choice number 3 would be the correct answer of this question. Next, identify the sequence of steps followed in linear electron flow during light reaction of photosynthesis. Linear electron flow during light reaction of photosynthesis. Okay, so they have given over here 5 different statements, or we can say 5 different steps of light reaction, and we have to arrange all these steps in a sequential manner. So in A choice, they have mentioned photo excitation of P700 on and transfer of an electron to NADP via ferredoxin. B, photosynthesis of H2O. In C, chemiosmosis and generation of ATP. D, photoexcitation of P680 and release of an electron. And E, electron transport to plastocyanin from plastoquinone via cytochrome complex. So we have to choose the correct answer, means correct pattern of sequence of these statements. Okay, so you just take 5 to 10 second time. After that, we will discuss the correct answer. Light reaction, we can classify it into two type, right? PS1 or PS2. In one type, both the PS system, photosystem involve PS1 and PS2, that Z scheme, right? Another one is a cyclic method, cyclic photophosphorylation, in which only P700 or PS1 is involved. So in light reaction, initially what will happen? In PS from PS2 means at where P680 molecules are involved. Photoexcitation of the electrons from this zone occur, right? So at the first stage, electrons has been excited and moved to the next level. So photo excitation of P680, this is the first step, and electron move to the next level. So this is the first step. Immediately, to fulfill this gap which is generated because of the absence of electron, immediately what will happen? Splitting of water occur, right? Splitting of water occurs. So hydrogen ion, electrons and oxygen evolve, right? So what is the second step? Second step is photolysis of water. So this is the second step. Am I right? And then these electrons are transported to several carrier molecule like plastoquinone, or further we can say plastoquinone, plastocyanin, via various cytochrome complex level. So this one is the third step, right? And during this process, generation of ATP is also involved. Generation of ATP occur, right? So chemiosmosis and generation of ATP, right? So this one is the fourth step, and then finally these electrons move through various carrier molecule towards the P700 site, right? And finally accepted at this position, which further move towards the ferridoxin, and then here generation of NADPH occur. So at the what is the last position? A is present on the last position, fifth position. So this is the sequence, right? So at the first position D must be at the first position. Oh, out of these four choices, only on the third position D is present on the first position. So this one would be the correct answer of this question. Clear? Okay. Now next question, important difference between C3 and C4 plants. Crane-Genotmy, electron transport system, dimorphic chloroplast, cyclic photophosphorylation and light reaction. So it's a very, very important question. So you just take your time, and it's a very easy question as well. So just take 5-second time, and after that we will discuss the correct answer. Difference between C3 and C4 type. C3 and C4 type plants. C4 type plants are present in the high temperature environment because they can tolerate, and they have a special type of leaf anatomy, right? Leaf anatomy in which two type of cells are there, mesophyll and bundle sheath. So we can say dimorphic chloroplast are there in C4, and this is known as Crange anatomy as well. So this is the main difference between C3 and C4 plant, right? So according to me, because light reaction occur in both the types of the plant, cyclic photophosphorylation is also there in both the, because this is related to light reaction, and electron transport system, this is related to mitochondria, respiration, right? So only difference between C3 and C4 in the fixation time, photorespiration. Okay, so Crane-Genotmy leaf type is different, and dimorphic chloroplast. So A and C. So choice number 2 would be the correct answer of this question. Clear? Okay. Now next question. Carbon dioxide combined with ribulose 1,5-bisphosphate during carboxylation. Yes, during carboxylation, carbon dioxide combined with ribulose 1,5-bisphosphate, carbohydrate is formed at the expense of the photochemically made ATP and form NADPH and carbon dioxide acceptor ribulose 1,5-bisphosphate. All these event takes place. All these event takes place in Calvin cycle, Hatch and Slack pathway, citric acid cycle, or Krebs cycle. Carbon dioxide, they are talking about the carbon dioxide fixation, right? So carbon dioxide fixation occur in Calvin cycle. It is not related to citric acid cycle or Krebs cycle. These are the cycles involved in the respiration, cellular respiration, right? And this one is something different, which is related to C4 plant, photorespiration, right? So fixation of carbon dioxide occur in Kelvin cycle. Clear? So choice number 1 would be the correct answer of this question. Now, next question, question number 7. Match list 1 with list 2. They have given over here name of various scientists and their work in list 2. We have to match. Okay. So T.W. Engelmann, Joseph Priestley, Julius von Such, and Carlinus Neal. Okay, so here different type of works performed by various scientists. So essential role of air in the growth of green plants. Green substance in the plant are located in special bodies within the plant cell in choice number 2. In third number, photosynthesis is essentially a light dependent reaction, and in fourth option they have mentioned illuminated cladophora. Okay, so we have to match name of the scientist and his work correctly. So just take 5 to 10 second time. After that we will discuss the correct answer. T.W. Engelmann. T.W. Engelmann. He is actually famous to illuminate an algae Cladophora. Okay, Cladophora with the light, and he found that bacteria are present in certain areas of that light where blue and um, red light are uh, mainly present, and that time that aerobic bacteria release oxygen, and that he observed as a bubble formulation. So he actually illuminate light through a prism on this cladophora, and this is the work which is performed by T.W. Engelmann. So can I write down A over here? Yes. Right. Similarly, Joseph Priestley, he actually performed that jar experiment in which he put initially a candle and a mice, and then after some time, as all the oxygen is consumed by the candle, that might also get died. But when he put it a plant also in that particular experiment with candle and mice, all three live in a very happy way. So that's how he proved that the essential role of the air in the growth of the green plant, right? So can I write down B over here? Yes. Next is Julius von Such. Julius von Such actually informed the importance of chloroplast, and he told that that green substance which is present in the plant are actually located in a special type of blood body, that is chloroplast, and that is mainly responsible for the synthesis of food and all other things. So can I write down C over here? Yes. And the remaining Carolus Linnaeus, he actually first time informed that photosynthesis is a light dependent reaction. So can I write down D over here? Yes. So A with 4. A with 4. So in choice number 1 only, A comes with the fourth choice. So this one is the correct answer of this question. Clear? Okay. Now next question. What percentage of photosynthetically active radiation is captured by the plant? What percentage of photosynthetically active radiation is captured by the plant? 2 to 10%, 50%, 100%, or 1 to 2%? This type of question we can also discuss, I think, in the ecology chapter, right? So just take 5-second time and then please tell me the correct answer. What percentage of photosynthetically active radiation is captured by the plant? 2 to 10%, 50%, 100%, or 1 to 2%? So correct answer would be 2 to 10%. 10% law from one trophic level to another trophic level. Only 2 to 10% active radiation is actually captured by the plant for their photosynthesis need. Okay, remaining lost as a heat, right? So choice number 1 would be the correct answer of this question. Next question, which one of the following option differentiates sorghum from the rice? Photorespiration, craniotomy, sorghum is a C4 plant, both 2 and 3. Which of the following option differentiates sorghum from the rice? Take 5-second time. Yes, so sorghum comes under C4 category. Sorghum, barley, sugarcane, they all belong to C4 type of plant, while rice belong to C3 type of plant. Right? So they have cronogenotomy. Yes. Sorghum is a C4 plant. Yes. And in choice number 4, both 2 and 3 are mentioned. So choice number 4 would be the correct answer of this question. Clear? Now, next question, photorespiration. They are asking about the photorespiration. So, photorespiration in C3 plants, some oxygen bind to rubisco. A specialized kind of leaf anatomy, that is craniotomy, is seen in plant exhibit photorespiration. Yes, it involves the activity of chloroplast, mitochondria in peroxisomes. Yes, it was traced by the work of Kelvin and his co-worker. Okay, so we have to choose the correct option out of these four options. So out of these four options, any two statements are related to photorespiration, other two are not related. We have to choose the correct answer. Take your time and quickly give me the answer. Photorespiration. In photorespiration, a special kind of leaf anatomy is seen in some plants which exhibit photorespiration. Yes, craniotomy are there in C4 plants, and photorespiration, three different organelles, as I said earlier, chloroplast, mitochondria, and peroxisomes are involved. Okay, so these two statements are correct. Kelvin work is related to the dark reaction of the, that is a part of photosynthesis, right? So this is not related to photorespiration. So according to me, B and C, so choice number 3 would be the correct answer according to me. Okay, now next, which of the following statement is incorrect? Okay, so I must highlight this incorrect. So, which of the following statement is incorrect? Both ATP, NADPH, and hydrogen ions are synthesized during non-cyclic photophosphorylation. But this one is true. Both the things are synthesized during non-cyclic photophosphorylation. Stroma lamellii has PS1 only and lack NADPH reductase. This one is again correct statement. Stroma lamellii has both PS1 and PS2, photosystem 1 and 2. Yes. Cyclic photophosphorylation involve both PS1 and PS2. No, cyclic photophosphorylation involve only one photosystem, that is PS1, not PS2. Okay, these two are involved in non-cyclic photophosphorylation. Means P680 and P700 both are involved in non-cyclic photophosphorylation. In cyclic, only one PS1 is involved or P700 molecules are involved. So incorrect statement is choice number 4. Clear? Okay. Now, next question, question number 13. The first stable product of carbon dioxide fixation in sorghum, again sorghum. Sorghum is a, just now we have discussed, it is a C4 type of plant. Okay, so what is the first stable product? Is it pyruvic acid, oxaloacetic acid, succinic acid, or phosphoglyceric acid? Tell me the correct answer. Pyruvic acid, succinic acid, these are involved. These are the parts of glycolysis, right? Or Krebs cycle, or we can say cellular respiration, mota mota, right? So this is involved in the cellular respiration, mitochondria things. Phosphoglycolic acid, this is the main part involved in, this is not related to C4 type of plant or photorespiration. So what is the first stable product? First stable product is OAA, oxaloacetic acid, right? So choice number 2 would be the correct answer of this question. Clear? Now, next question, question number 14. The oxygenation activity of Rubisco enzyme in photo respiration lead to the formation of oxygenation activity, lead to the formation of one molecule of 3 carbon compound, one molecule of 6 carbon compound, one molecule of 4 carbon compound, and one molecule of 2 carbon compound, 2 molecule of 3 carbon compound. Oxygenation activity of Rubisco enzyme in photorespiration leads to the formation of phosphoenol pyruvate, that is one molecule of 3 carbon compound, right? So choice number 1 would be the correct answer. Clear? Now next, question number 15. During non-cyclic photophosphorylation, when electrons are lost from the reaction center at PS2, what is the source which replace these electrons? Non-cyclic photophosphorylation. What is the source? Is it oxygen? Is it water, carbon dioxide, or light? Non-cyclic, non-cyclic photophosphorylation starts from the PS2 where P660 molecules are there. Electrons are lost as light because of the light. Electron move from this level to excited level, and from various carrier molecule it move towards the P700 site, and then again, that's why it is known as Z scheme. So these electrons, this lost electron, further replaced by another electron which comes from the hydrolysis of water, right? So what is the source which replaces these electrons? That is water. Clear? So choice number 2 would be the correct answer of this question. Next question, which of the following statement is incorrect? I must highlight this incorrect. Okay. Rubisco is a bifunctional enzyme. Yes, Rubisco is a bifunctional enzyme. It is having both carboxylation and oxygenation activity. In C4 plant, the site of Rubisco activity is mesophyll in C4 plant. What is the site of activity of Rubisco enzyme? The substrate molecule for Rubisco activity is a 5 carbon compound. Rubisco action require ATP and NADPH. If you learn that C4 and C3 cycle in a detail during our lecture hour, you can very clearly give me the answer of this question. Take 5-second time for this question. So in C4 plants, two type crane-Janotmi are there, two type of cells are there, mesophyll and bundle sheath, and the Rubisco activity involved in bundle sheath, not in mesophyll cells, right? Not in mesophyll cells. So this one is the incorrect statement, choice number 2. Clear? Okay. Next question, question number 17. In Hatch and Slack cycle, the primary carbon dioxide acceptor. What is the primary carbon dioxide acceptor? Oxaloacetic acid, phosphoglycolic acid, phosphoenol pyruvate or Visco? Primary carbon dioxide acceptor. 5-second time. This particular pathway involved in C4 type of plant, and what is the first molecule which accept carbon dioxide? That is PEP. Okay, phosphoenol pyruvate in the presence of PPase enzyme. It accept first primary carbon dioxide and then convert into the oxaloacetic acids, right? And then malic acid which further move into the bundle sheath, right? So this is the main pathway. So choice number 3 would be the correct answer of this question. Clear? Now, let's move to the next question, that is question number 18. One scientist culture Cladophora. Engelmann work on this Cladophora. One scientist cultured Cladophora in the suspension of azotobacter and illuminate the culture by splitting light through a prism. He observed that bacteria accumulate mainly in the region of violet and green light, indigo and green light, orange and yellow light, blue and red light. 5-second time. It's a very important question and it's very easy question as well. He generate a spectra, action spectra on the basis of his observation. He observed that bacteria accumulate mainly in the region of blue and red light. Blue and red light, right? So choice number 4 would be the correct answer of this question. Now, next question, question number 19. Which of the following is not a product of light reaction of photosynthesis? NADPH, NADH, ATP, oxygen. In light reaction, out of these 4 options, 3 are the product of light reaction, 1 is not the product of light reaction. NADPH is produced during light reaction? Yes. ATP? Yes. Oxygen? Yes. As a byproduct. NADH is not produced during light reaction of photosynthesis. It will produce in mitochondria during cellular respiration, right? So, what is the correct answer? Is not a product of light reaction. So, this is NADH. Clear? Now, next, question number 20. PEP or phosphoenol pyruvate is the primary carbon dioxide acceptor in C3 plant, C4 plant, C2 plant, C3 and C4. Just now we have discussed same kind of question 2 or 3 slide back. So, phosphoenol pyruvate is the primary acceptor, primary carbon dioxide acceptor in C4 type of plant. Right? So, choice number 2 would be the correct answer of this question. Next, with reference to the factor affecting the rate of photosynthesis, which of the following statement is not correct? Light saturation for carbon dioxide fixation occur at 10% of full light. This is the correct statement. They need only 2 to 10% of full light. Increase carbon dioxide concentration up to 0.05 can enhance carbon dioxide fixation rate. Tell me. Yes. If we increase atmospheric carbon dioxide, 0.05 can enhance carbon dioxide fixation. In C3 plant, respond to higher temperature with enhanced photosynthesis, while C4 plant have much lower temperature optimum. C3 plant respond to lower temperature optimum, and C4 are mainly known for work under or tolerate high temperature. That's why craniotomy are there. So they have mentioned reciprocal temperature in a just reverse way. Okay, so this is not the correct statement. So choice number 3 would be the correct answer. There is no need to read another option that is related to tomato. Although tomato is a green house crop which can be grown in carbon dioxide and rich atmosphere for higher yield. But here they have just mentioned different type of opposite things related to temperature with C3 and C4 plants, right? So choice number 3 would be the correct answer of this question. Now, the process which make major difference between C3 and C4 plant, is it glycolysis, Calvin cycle, photorespiration or respiration? Easy question. What is the major difference between these two? This is photorespiration, right? Okay. Now, next question, question number 23. In chloroplast, the higher number of protons are found in protons, hydrogen ions, or protons are found in lumen of thylakoid, intermembrane space, antenna complex, or stroma. Stroma is known for dark reaction. Antenna complex for excitation of electrons. Protons are found in lumen of thylakoid. Right? So choice number 1 would be the correct answer of this question. Next, okay. So now finish. So these are some very, very important question that is related to photosynthesis topic. I hope most of things has been cleared. Keep solving some more question related to this topic. If you will find any difficulty, any doubt, please let me know. We will discuss it later on. Till then, take care. Bye bye and keep learning. Namaskar.